How's Toby Keith tonight? Y'all feeling all right out there? So I'm sure that there's some couples here, and this song that we're about to do for you is an original song. And this song just talks about working a 9-to-5 job and being at work and just can't wait to get home and see your little lady. Just punching that time clock, stopping on the way home, get you a case of beer, just to get home and spend some time with that woman that you love. Hope you guys enjoy this song. It's called After You. 2 hours of work left, can't stop thinking about what comes next. A short drive in my truck, stop with a few cold ones up. But my motor's already humming, baby, I'm coming after you. Nothing can stop me, no, you want me to. You'll be back in my arms real soon. You'll